How to pronounce creatine, creatine, creatine. Creatine, or creatine monohydrate, is one of the most widely used and studied sports nutrition supplements for more than 30 years. It has been recognized as safe and effective. Creatine helps supply energy to the muscles so that you can train harder. By using creatine before a workout, you will see that you can get more reps and sets of strength training exercises, thereby increasing the stimulus to your muscles. After trying many creatine supplements, I highly recommend Onnit's creatine. You can purchase my recommended creatine supplement by clicking on the link in the description below. Over 100 studies have shown that there has been an 8% increase in gains after a workout from taking creatine. Those studies also have shown that weightlifters' maxes have increased about 14% when taking the supplement on a regular basis. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe below. Thank you for choosing How to Pronounce.